We found this abandoned parking lot down in Mexico. We're gonna set up some cones and play some autocross. See what this baby can do.
Right, and then around the building.
We've never done any kind of autocross course before, so we're just figuring it out.
That was the wrong side.
I think that'll work.
Yeah, I think that's good.
We gotta chill a little bit or we're gonna get kicked out before we even get to race.
Yeah, calm down, bro. This will be a scary turn.
Yeah,
with the water. That's perfect though.
But at least there's like some snow to slow you down before the fence.
There's a 100% chance we tow it back. Right?
Oh, for sure. All right, I'll pull out the timer. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Was that a second?
It's a solid benchmark.
All right, 25, not bad. I mean, we have no reference point.
3, 1, go! Oh my God!
What is it?
By not even like 0.2 of a second.
Faster or?
Faster.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. That's fun, that's hard.
Yeah, that's a good
What a
shot.
blast though.
How do you feel you did?
I did very poorly. I'm confident of it. I'm guessing 30. Huh? All right.
Yeah. Oh, he's looking good. Oh no. Doesn't sound good.
Still not staying on. Is that all it was?
That helped.
Can we tighten that at all, or?
It's tight all the way.
You almost just wheelied. That was insane. Oh my.
That's some torque right there.
This is gonna be 2 laps around the course. We're gonna have to be real careful on turn number 1 or things are gonna get wild. So, you ready, Brian?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go! What a start! That was a good showing. That first lap was real good.
2580? Or no,
No.
2465.
Yeah.
All right, pull it together. I can do this.
I don't like that he's been so good at this.
Yeah.
Whoa. 2, 1, go! Really making it earn its paycheck there.
What do you think about the first lap versus the second lap?
They were both pretty not good. But it's so hard. It's hilarious though.
Who cares if it was good? Just look at that right there.
Yeah, that's pretty horrible.
Oh, wait till you see my lap, good sir.
Yeah, I was very confused. I couldn't tell. I don't know. Are you mad at me? I'm not sure. I don't know what's happening. I for sure thought we were getting in trouble.
I thought, oh, he's back. Is he gonna run?
Oh yeah. Tell you.
Run the track.
All right.
Yeah, just follow him.
Yeah, follow him real slow.
What a day. We already live an insane life, and then this day is just couldn't get any better.
At the clock? All right, yeah, line it up.
Ready?
I'm gonna give you a 3, 2, 1, go, all right?
Okay. Keep going, keep going.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like this far.
Nah, we're not worried about that part.
Oh no, every inch counts.
Come on, guys.
That's what I tell my girlfriend too.
You guys can take the MR2.
Yeah.
Just give it a go, fucker.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Oh, where's it
Oh,
going?
he forgot the course.
This guy seems super drunk.
I mean, that's what they do at the Elks Lodge right
Yeah,
there. Is
right,
just
right.
drink.
Oh my god. This is like at the start.
That is one of those transmission bolts.
Yeah, we should go check that out.
We should.
3, 2, 1, go. That was not our worst time of the day. 33.82.
Damn.
Well
now
done.
we know the course, and we can probably do a better time.
You want to give it another go?
again.
Although you got to scoot back to the line.
You're driving.
Okay, we go this way and that way.
Yep.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no!
We'll give it one more go.
I can't imagine something funnier.
3, 2, 1, go. Well, it's looking better already.
And across the
Well done.
Better time?
34.66.
What was our first one?
Almost the exact same. 34.86, I think. She cut some time off of it.
2/10 of.
Well, we saw you guys go, I gotta do this.
Yeah. I'm glad you came back.
Well, the first time we didn't know the course. Second time, you blew the first cone. He says, "You didn't tell me about that cone." I'm like, now you know the course.
He's
Now you know
loving it.
I'll guide you. Okay.
We're all loving
All right, get us on the start line.
Oh,
So
I
we
remember
lost-
that one.
We lost the transmission bolt?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Well,
That was the one that you were tightening, Dylan.
me, I didn't tighten any of them.
Yeah, you did. You remember? You were at the bottom, and I said, "Dylan, tighten." It was one of the 2 bolts.
Yeah, that sounds familiar.
3, 2, 1, go!
Still no.
Go, go, go!
This is like the 5th lap, and he still is confused on the cones.
He's had more beers than laps.
1, go!
He did it again.
All right.
Why the fuck I want to go right?
That side of those cones. Okay. Going towards the container.
All right. Stop. All right.
Okay.
Already?
Go on that side of those cones towards the hydrant.
Yeah.
Take a hard left. Take a hard left of those cones and a hard right around those.
I love it.
Okay.
Ready? He's telling him.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go! I got it. This is a chance. There it is. Here it is. Keep it smooth. Rounding the chicane. Dude, those guys are hammered. Allegedly. Allegedly. across the line at 27.55.
We're done. Fuck you.
Thanks for the try.
He can't remember what we was doing.
He saw he could do it.
How was that time?
Yeah, exactly.
That was great. Best time all day.
Yeah,
Hey, we had to try it.
yeah, exactly.
What
It
you
was
got?
worth it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, you never had a Chevy Altima in your car. Hey, at least I didn't give a shit. I had to try it. Bud.
No,
I had to try
absolutely,
it.
yeah. No, you did great.
How many people you have come here and say, I gotta try this?
You're the
Oh.
first one.
Only person.
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Hey, we're good people.
Yes, absolutely. Hey, take it easy.
People.
man.
You guys have a good one.
What did he say?
He said your car sucks. The guy driving wasn't as drunk as the two other guys, but
The dude in the back might die this evening. He was pretty drunk.
yeah, he was pretty toasty.
One, go.
How did you feel you did?
I don't think I did very well.
You don't think you did well? Why not?
I felt pretty loose, and usually smooth is the key to things like this.
Take a look.
Whoa! 24.90 on the first lap?
Yeah.
I thought the first lap was even worse. That's why I went slower on the second lap. Oh my gosh. It does seem like an situation.
Yeah. Oh, let's go talk to him.
Why wouldn't he just come over here?
It's weird that he went over there.
I don't know, but I'm guessing that probably not that happy about it.
Come any closer.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Don't come any closer.
You can have a gun.